take that repeat sign one step further and introduce first and second endings. Let's look at line 4, number 4 in lesson 19. Now Robert Collister has saved a lot of writing for himself. Instead of having 4 lines of music, he's been able to compress it into 2 lines by using first and second endings. What Robert wants us to do is play the first line and the first ending, then observing those double dots at the end of the first ending, go back to the beginning, play through that first line of music, skip that first ending, and go to ending number 2, the second ending, and observe the retard at the end as well. So he's actually been able to finish off that melody with a different ending the second time and saves himself writing a lot more music. Let's try that now. Don't forget to observe your time signature, your key signature, the accidentals in there. You've got B flats and E flats, accidental F sharps, a lot of stuff in this one. Dotted quarter notes, eighth notes. Let's see how we do. Let's set the metronome at 80. 1, 2, ready, play.